Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these beautiful goddess braids you saw in the beginning of this video. You can see how really beautiful this looks. I already started the braids from the beginning, so we don't have to waste much time. What you need to do majorly is just, regular knotless box braids, and then it depends on how you add the goddess, the curly strands to it, which I'm going to be zooming in shortly to show you. I'm going to do that on like 2 or 3 different parts of the video. Then I'm going to show you how I ended the braids, like the finishing of the braids. Usually you don't dip it in hot water after braiding because of the coils. It's going to straighten the braiding hair with coils. So all you need to do is at the end of this video, so keep watching and make sure you watch till the end. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video to anyone you know might need it, and to encourage us to grow more and put up more content on this channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new, you're most welcome to my channel. My name is Queen and I do makeup and hair styling. I post hair videos every Fridays, and I post makeup videos every Monday. Like, that is not optional, but any other day of the week that I feel like it, I can post any other thing I do, anything I feel is fun, just me being funny, sarcastic and stuff like that, having lunch or something, or what I enjoy doing. So you can always also click the notification bell right there, so you'll be informed whenever I make a post here on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So as you can see, I jumped so many steps before arriving at this point. So right here you can see me zooming in. I basically just add the braiding hair. I add it about like 6 times or so. Then close to, like, after adding the 5th time, I take the braiding hair and then add it like the normal hair I usually add. Take out one of the arms of the curly braiding hair, and just keep it somewhere on top of our head or anywhere it can stay, not to obstruct my braiding. Then I keep braiding down with the other end or the other hand inside the braids. So towards the end, you see me still taking out the other end to create that, very full look. So you have so many coils in there. And then on some of the braids, I didn't add any curly braiding hair to it at all, just so the hair will not be looking too curly, filled with the whole curly braiding hair and all that stuff. So if you notice, some of them, especially around the middle, I add on some braids and I don't add in some. So I'm just going to take this quickly to the end of the braids, and then you see how I completed the finishing, what I used to, make the coils to be more pronounced and all of that. So keep watching. Oh, we've almost come to the end of the braids, as you can see. So I'm just taking my time to make sure the parts in the front are really crisp and looking very beautiful. Like you can see, she has a very lovely, clean and shiny scalp, and her hair is so beautiful, filled with so much coils. So yeah, and very soft too. So we're just going to fast forward this. I'm just going to show you how we completed this, and the trimming and stuff like that. So keep watching, don't go away, we're almost there. Be patient, and boom, we are done. So after this last braid, I'm going to be showing you how we did the finishing, what we added, what we didn't add that we usually do to normal braids. So it actually doesn't take so much time like you would anticipate. It's just almost the same time as making regular box braids. For the finishing, the first thing I'm going to be applying, I always like to apply my olive oil from Olive Miracle. Is really light, so it doesn't cause build up that much, and I always encourage my clients to apply like twice a week or 3 times, depending on how dry your scalp is. Then I go in with my hair mousse from Essence, Herbal Essence hair mousse. I'm just going to run that down through the hair with my fingers, and make sure I massage it in properly to her scalp. Then I'm using the spray right there to just finish that up. Nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment. Bye.